dito, tabanin mo ko. Pero marami lang nakuha natin dito nun. Tara na, anak. Silas ka na. Sorry po. Alang-alang sa dalan eh. Check! Ika lang, anak. Daddy. What is it? What's going on? Di anak, magkuha muna ko ng tambal mo. Don't worry, it's gonna be okay. This is our land. Yeah. Daddy, what? What do you mean? Your fish is ugly. This is our land. This is mine. No. Get out of our way. So what? I don't care. Stop. Please stop. Stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. This is my daughter. Stop. Please stop. This is my wife too. Wife, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay? Are you okay, daughter? Are you okay? Let's go home. Wow, yung alak pa nga yan, yung tinutulungan mo. You don't even care about me. Let's have a divorce. Okay. Daddy, That's sorry. I'm going. Hello, can I have a divorce?
Okay, sure. What's your apelido?
John Mark Abragada.
Okay. So, write your name. Who's your wife? Please, pareha imong wife. Call them. Call her.
Here.
Okay. Stupid! Why did you choose that guy? Stop. Okay na. Stop! Actually divorce. Thank you.
I'm going
Can
to
you last hug? Last one hug?
No, never.
Okay.
I'm
It's
going to
okay.
take this to the principal's office.
Okay.
Hey, what is your name? Princess. What is your name? John Mark. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Well, do you want to get married? Yes. Bawa din sa ako nagbawa. Huwag mo, kami naman. I'm so sorry. It's just a My name is Princess Urel.
My name is Rachel Lumantok.
My name is Kaden Mateo Montolo. My name is Leah Jindy Cabusa.
My name is Marlene Aymaro.
Follow,
Comment.
subscribe, like, share.
Bye-bye!
Da 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 da